Army Aviation Soldiers begin training with Stalker UAS at Fort Rucker. Story by Leslie Herlick for the Aviation Center of Excellence. Fort Rucker, Alabama. Army Aviation Center of Excellence, AVCOE. Soldiers began training with the VXE-30 Stalker Uncrewed Aircraft System, UAS, at Fort Rucker on November 18, in preparation for equipment fielding in December. This system incorporates observations from the modern battlefield, including reduced noise and visual signature, vertical takeoff capability, and cost-saving munitions technology, underscoring the Army's push to integrate cutting-edge systems into training at Fort Rucker and Fort Huachuca, Arizona. Major Wolf Amacker, the chief of the AVCOE Directorate of Training and Doctrine's UAS and Tactics branch, said the event represented a milestone in training the Army's layered reconnaissance strategy. This is the first time in years that we will be utilizing a Group 2, almost Group 3 size UAS in support of an Army course at Fort Rucker, since before the Shadow was really employed, Amacker said. The Department of War categorizes UAS into Groups 1 through 5 based on weight, normal operating altitude, and speed. Group 1 UAS are small, weighing 20 pounds or less, and operate below 1,200 feet above ground level, AGL, at speeds of up to 100 knots. Group 2 UAS have a maximum takeoff weight between 21 and 55 pounds, operate below 3,500 feet AGL, and fly at speeds under 250 knots. Group 3 UAS, which included the Army's RQ-7B Shadow, weigh between 56 and 320 pounds at takeoff, operate up to 18,000 feet above mean sea level, MSL, and fly at speeds under 250 knots. Edge Autonomy Stalker aircraft was recently awarded a contract to fill the Army's long-range reconnaissance role at the battalion level. Built on a modular open systems approach, MOSA, the Stalker can adapt to new sensors, payloads, and technologies to support changing operational needs. Amacker noted that the 1st Aviation Brigade, part of the Army Aviation Center of Excellence and home to the Army's UAS initial entry and advanced training courses, identified the Stalker during the recent UAS summit. The brigade moved quickly to acquire the system for training, ensuring students gain hands-on experience with the latest reconnaissance technology. Major Rachel Martin, the AVCOE Air Cavalry Leaders Course and Unmanned Advanced Lethality Course, UALC, Director, emphasized the Stalker's flexibility compared to legacy systems. This system can take off and land vertically like a quadcopter, then transition to forward flight where it goes deadly silent, Martin said. Its reduced visual and acoustic signature makes striking a target at 300 feet very likely, something that wasn't possible with louder systems like the Shadow. The training demonstration also featured innovations in payload delivery from Orbital Research Incorporated, which has developed a modular, 3D printed munition system compatible with multiple UAS platforms, to include Stalker. The system integrates into the Army's Common Lethality Integration Kit, CLIK, allowing soldiers to select warheads at the user level and employ both newly designed payloads and existing munitions such as 81mm mortars. What's great about this is that it's modular and fits on multiple UAS, Martin said. It's a cheaper solution that can be rapidly reproduced. Orbital can make 250 a week in their office, with manufacturers producing even more. Martin noted the dramatic cost difference compared to traditional systems. Instead of a Hellfire missile costing $100,000 to $150,000 per round, this solution costs about $800, she said. That disparity is significant, and it reflects lessons from the Ukrainian fight, where cheaper solutions are proving decisive. Amacker added that the Army is exploring ways to print training rounds in-house, further expanding opportunities for instruction while reducing reliance on traditional procurement systems. This is the Army thinking outside the box, Martin said. We're leveraging commercial technology to meet immediate needs in a faster, more affordable way. Training with the Stalker is scheduled to begin in December, ensuring instructors can incorporate the system into courses and prepare soldiers to employ it in tactical missions at the battalion and brigade levels.